TELE Network. This is Dan, and I'm happy to introduce to you today our newest V4IA100A AC-DC multifunctional current transducer. So, as I already introduced this product to you in the last video where we spoke about the state of the art of transducers, I want to show you the highlights of our V4IA100. The 100 in the type code actually describes the 100 amp AC and DC measuring range that we can actually cover with this item. Of course, you can select from a 25, 50, 75, or 100 amp range in one device. Now, the nice thing about this product is it has also an integrated Hall sensor, which basically makes it unnecessary to have additional current sensors to hook up to your transducer. Also of interest, the super high isolation voltage that allows you to galvanically isolate your important control equipment or your I/O cards from like the high currents that are being measured. Now with this product, we offer 6 analog outputs in one product that are selectable via a little dial, and that ranges from milliamps all the way to volts in a unipolar or bipolar manner. Especially for DC currents, the bipolar analog outputs can be of use if you want to measure if a battery, for example, is being charged or discharged, which is also a very important and interesting application for the electric vehicle charging sector. Now, if we look at the product itself, you can see here on the picture, it has a little opening on the top, which actually is the opening for our current sensor. So you would just put your wire in there, and we automatically sense the current that's going through there. Also, the TELE analog converter, it has auxiliary voltage of 24 to 240 volts AC/DC, so we can actually make sure we're supplied by an according power source. Along with the LED indicators, this product is also thin rail mountable and also gives you a peace of mind when it comes to the measuring range. For the measuring range, we have the opportunity to also offset our zero starting point. So if you think of a linear current increase, you could, for example, make sure you ignore the little ground noise that appears from, say, 0 to 0.5 amps. Now, this is a little overview of our V4IA100 current transducer product. Now, if you want to learn how to set the product up, which is super intuitive, you do not need to be a software engineer, make sure you watch the next video. And if you should have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out to us at any time.